How to delete YouTube channel. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you through the steps on how you can delete your YouTube channel, so make sure to watch the video till the very end. So if you would like to delete your YouTube channel, all you have to do is just go to studio.youtube.com and log into the correct account that you would like to delete. After you do that, from the bottom left of the screen you'll find the settings option, which is this here. So just go to settings. Once you come to settings, on the left hand side again you'll find different options where you want to simply go to channel. Once you go to this channel option here, you'll find the option called advanced settings, so make sure to select that advanced settings. Scroll down here, you'll find one of the options that says remove YouTube content, so make sure to select and click the remove YouTube content option. On the next specific page it will ask you for a confirmation to go ahead and then enter your password, and once you enter your password you'll be taken to the page where you can simply go ahead and then remove or hide your channel temporarily, or you can just choose to permanently delete your account. All of this will get deleted, which is the following 7 playlists, your subscriptions, any paid subscriptions that you own will also get deleted, and then just click the delete my content option to finish deleting your YouTube channel. This way you can delete YouTube channel. Hope this video was very helpful. If you have got any questions, feel free to also leave them down below. Thank you for watching till the very end of this tutorial, and see you soon in the next video.